My question is, the U.S. Supreme Court may ban women from receiving an abortion in all cases. Does Islam allow an abortion in the case of rape and in the case of health problems to the mother and baby?
There is the burning issue in the United States nowadays, huh? You see, Islam says that you should not kill your children because of the fear of their upbringing or because of the finances. That is the only thing which Islam prohibits for abortion. Otherwise, Islam says that if the health of the woman is not good, you can do abortion. If the baby is not properly developing, they can do abortion, even from the fetal stage to the later stage. In the case of rape also, if woman likes that she cannot bear the burden of this child because of the society, they will raise fingers on her all the time. And even if the child is born, he will also face difficulties in his or her environment. Then the mother can decide to get it aborted. Islam permits it. But not because that how can I take care of the child. This is the only thing. Allah says that I provide you for your well-being. I provide you your food. And I am the provider. Right?
Jazakallah Azur.